Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody had a great and wonderful Christmas. Merry Christmas to all. It's the day after and we've had a good one. It's been hectic. Didn't get my usual Saturday video out, but I thought I'd make one today. And like I said, this is Sunday, the day after, 26, 2021. So hopefully everybody had a good Christmas. But I wanted to bring an update on the channel on the wood situation. And here it is. Ta-da! I got this repowered. I didn't make a video. I did this at work. I just took it up there. It was slow and used their shop for a day and put this on and got this repowered. Got the Predator tractor out here. It's kind of funny when your little tractor and your wood splitter has the same engine. Both 212s. So looks kind of nice. Maybe a thumbnail. So I just thought that's kind of funny. But anyway, let me show you where we're at. Okay. This is an old Swisher 6 3/4, and apologize for the wind, but I do have an external mic and a cable coming for this camera. I'm running a DJI Osmo, awesome little camera, but I don't know what happened to my stuff. I couldn't find it. I give up. So finally I just ordered a mic and a cable, so hopefully the wind problem ain't gonna be around much longer. So anyway, get the dead cat and I might hook it up. It'll be good. But anyway, enough of that. But this was an old Swisher, and what it had a vertical shaft engine that went down through this, and the pump was over here. You can still see still see the hole. And what it did, it had a belt under there. I've took all that stuff out. It had an engagement deal right here to, when it was cold, you could pull it out and took the tension off the belt till the fluid warmed up, and then you can put it back, let the motor warm up. But what I've done, I ordered this a long time ago to actually redo this, but I didn't do it. Well, we got in case anybody's curious, let's just do this. You can look at that, but it's 13 gallon a minute, 2-stage pump, which is a little more than it was on here. I think it had the little bitty 11, and there's another one smaller 2-stage, but anyway, it's a little faster than it was, but it's got 13 gallon minute tool tough pump on it. Pretty good little pump, cheap one. You can get them off Amazon, eBay. Actually, eBay's a better place to get these than Amazon. Cheaper and a lot more variety. But I did that, and I put an old 212 I had, got it repowered, bolted all this together, put some thread lock, nylon nuts and stuff on this pump, and just took a piece of 1/4-inch plate, you know, put about 6 welds on it, 3 down both sides, and got it all bolted, made the mounts, and all that good stuff. Works pretty good, but I do have one problem here. I'm gonna have to take this cylinder off and get it repacked. It is just leaking fluid like crazy, but we will get it fixed. It's pretty well refurbished. New engine, new pump, hoses. I've got new intake here I put on, and this is a really super high temp, high strength radiator heater core hose, and it's fine for that. Someone probably say it ain't, but it is. It's just a return line, and that is more than enough. Them are not a normal heater hose. They are industrial. They're super high strength. So it all works good. And I told you I'm getting ready to do wood on this channel. I've got a lot of stuff to do. I want to get the old hay elevator converted and all that. And so hopefully you're into the wood yard videos. Be coming up. Won't be doing it for money, you know, to offset ends and stuff. But let me know below what you guys think, or kind of what you'd like to see on that situation. Maybe some saw videos and stuff too, and splitting and bugging and loading and all that good stuff. But let's fire this up. Everybody wants to see this run. And this old splitter, we've had this a long time. The old engine finally wore out on it, but repowered it so I could use it. I have started it a while ago. She runs good. You can see the flood just pouring out of it. But does work good. Give her a little run here. See that flood just coming out of there? Pretty bad. Needs a little more juice. Till it warms up. Got the D10. Yeah, I see the flood, it's just pouring out of it. Works good. I'm very happy to have this up and going. Said its cycle's good. It's getting low on fluid, I think. I'll shut it all after this one, but it's working good. Just gotta get this off and repacked, so get that done. Okay, so upcoming videos. I may or may not do one of just taking this off, and I'll get it repacked, get it back, get it on. But the old girl's gonna be in use. And stay tuned, because we're gonna be making, I wanna try this. I'm gonna build a 4-way wedge to slide over this. Might as well make it easy. And I wanna do that, and I'm gonna make a log cradle here, so that when I'm over here, you know, splitting this thing, it'll be so handy I can just lay, you know, the piece over instead of dropping it on the ground and having to pick it up. That will save my back a lot during the day, and we're definitely gonna have that as a mod. So I'm gonna build a 4-way wedge and a table, and there was something else I wanted to do this, but I can't remember off the top of my head. Oh, I know what it was. This right here. I'm gonna fix this too. This thing's a little out of kilter, but it sets on here and it just goes everywhere. I'm gonna get this flush and get it centered and run a brace down on both sides and come down to this and make it where I can stick a pin through and hold all this, you know, weld it up underneath. Kind of redo some of this, and let's do some little knickknacks and fix this thing. But good old splitter. But I'm gonna take that off and get it redone, and we're gonna redo these wear plates too. They're just plumb wore. You can see that. I don't know if it works or not, but I'm hoping I can unbolt this and just flip it over and reverse it. I'll find out. I don't know. So all this is coming, and I will make videos of that stuff. But yeah, just look at that fluid. It's just pouring out. So anyway, I'll get that redone, repacked. It ain't bad. Guy I know charges me $100, and that includes the parts. So I'm not going to mess with it for that. I'll just let them do it, and I can get it back real quick. So I want this going now. But anyway, so again, apologize for the wind, but I got a mic and a cable coming for this camera, so I'm sick of fighting the wind out here. But anyways, hope you liked that. I was about to cut the video off, but I wanted to give you another look. Like I said, I thought that was funny. We're gonna get on this old girl too here second I get a chance, because it's handy for stuff like this, pulling trailers and whatnot with the little Predator powered Alice right there. But I just think that's funny. My tractor has the same engine as my wood splitter, so I don't know, kind of interesting and fun. But need a motor, I can rob one or the other or whatever. And we're gonna build some more of these tractors too, so stay tuned for that. So anyways, now I'm gonna cut the video off. So hope you liked it, hope you enjoyed it. Sorry it's a little late by a couple days, but anyway, it's been nuts with the holidays, getting everything ready for friends and family. We had a big gathering, and I didn't have time to get a video out. I actually had a project going I finished up for Christmas, a giveaway, so to a family member. So anyway, I guess that's it for this video. So I hope you liked this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, helps the channel, subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it don't cost nothing, and hit the bell when you do. You'll get notified of tractor videos, wood videos, build videos, farm videos, all that good stuff. Got a lot of stuff coming up in the barn too, so stay tuned for that with the chickens and whatnot, and making the incubators. So I guess that's it for this video. So as always, like and subscribe. Get you on the next video. Bye.